Let's play a game. It's called What's in the Box, and I'll give you a clue. It's something that you all ask me about quite often, a tool that I use, and it's not a normal tool. So what do you think is in the Handle with Care fragile box? It gets shipped out of Hong Kong, so it comes with this cool dragon sticker. It's a handheld probe. Never used one of the handheld probes before. Pretty nervous about it. It also comes with some gator clips. It also comes with splitters for 4 different probes to be used on one machine. Insanity. Here are some connectors for the probes. Probes are very easy to put together. All you got to do is stick the feet on there, like so. And with the connectors, just plug them in, like that. It's really easy. Makes storage simple when you want to take it apart and store it somewhere out of the way. This is your foot pedal. It's very, very, very important. This is the kill switch. If you're using it and you end up getting hit by the shock, you'll come off of this and it'll turn the power off completely. Very necessary. And the moment you've all been waiting for. It's 1,000 milliamps. It's twice as powerful as my other one. It comes with some instructions. It tells you all about the machine, the features, what you ordered inside, frequently asked questions, setup procedure, setup and operating instructions. And then here is like a checklist, making sure you go through everything. And you can even like print this out or laser engrave it on a piece of wood and have it for you to look at all the time. So if you want to see how to set this thing up and actually use it properly, follow me and stay tuned.